For years, I'd been exhausted from searching for a tractor that could handle my property work, but buying a brand new rig was completely out of my budget. So I turned my focus to something older, something affordable, yet with a bit of potential left in it. Then one day, almost like fate, I stumbled across a 1993 Ford 1520 tractor left, sitting in a field, covered in dust and rust. To be honest, it looked like nothing more than a pile of scrap metal. The radiator was shot, the body panels were banged up, and the overheating problem, a complete mystery. But the price, just $300. I didn't know if I could fix the overheating. I didn't know if the bodywork was even worth the effort. Truth is, I didn't care. I hauled it home and started tearing it down piece by piece. Because this forgotten beast deserves a second chance. And I'm here to prove that no machine is ever too old to love again.